What's up guys, it's Mr. Money Arts here, and today I am going to be showing you how to create one of these mechanical pencils. Now, you're probably saying that's easy, they're already built. Well, let's create first. You're going to want to take this little piece right here. You're gonna want here, let me just right here. Okay, that's what you're gonna want to do. You're gonna want to put this thing's hard now. You're gonna want to put this piece right in there. Yeah, right in there. So you're gonna want to attach that into it like that. Like that. Just pop it in like that. So then you're gonna want to keep putting it in. Keep putting it in like that. Like that. You see how it's building up. I want to keep adding those things up. Like this. Then the last one goes in like that. It sticks out like that. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. See you guys next time, man. Bye.